Asuntoskeittiö Mikon Salpa.
Yeah, today is the 29th of July 2021. We have Laajametsänkuja, Red School Steven. Is it 6?
Yeah.
Staircase C here, and we have also been to the staircase F so far, but hopefully we will get to the staircases A, B, E, and F. A, B, T, and D later. It was built in 1971. This is actually with MB6 fixtures inside. The serial number is H25172. It's interesting because in staircase F it's MB8 fixtures.
Yeah.
Maybe it's D and D also is the MB8, and it will be inspected in 2023, turning 50 years old this year in 2021. Let's try it. It's also fast.
Yeah.
It's interesting, we got two types of these. So probably in A and B they have also MB6.
Yeah. I saw them behind the door.
Yeah. Yeah, I also saw them, and they
Yeah.
also have it.
Yeah.
And this is in Martinlaakso, modernized, then see Vantaa, Western Vantaa here in the Helsinki Sports Region, also Finland, Finland. We're gonna do a second silent ride.
Yeah. Expected pakivais eteenpäin. Se on A0. That's